All right, so I pulled out the snowblower today. We got a huge dump of snow, and every gear other than the first was working. So reverse 1, 2 working, and then 2 to 6 were fine. So first gear was the only one that wasn't working. So just wanted to do a quick little adjustment for the gear shifter, and basically what I'll do is we'll turn it, and that way we'll get some speed going to gear number 1, and that should fix our issue. Right now it's not moving in gear 1 at all, only 2 to 6 and then the reverse, so this should fix first gear as well. So super simple. We'll come underneath the snowblower, and you see this rod coming down, okay, right here. This is basically, you can see it's threaded. This is what we're going to adjust. So if you turn this clockwise, it goes slower. You turn it counterclockwise, it goes faster. We have no speed to the first gear, so we're going to end up turning it counterclockwise to get some speed going to those wheels, and that should fix our issue. So if you go on the other side here, you can see there's a cotter pin right here. So we'll just remove this little guy, take off the washer, turn this little guy 1 or 2 turns, and see how it runs. So just get yourself a pair of pliers. Come on, that's all you need for this. Come up in here and just pull that out, just like that. Set it aside. And then we'll just take off the washer there. Take off the washer there. So this is basically what it looked like before. So clockwise is slower, counterclockwise is faster. So we're gonna go one just like that and see. We're gonna start her up and see if it runs a little bit better. If not, we can come back and go another turn. But we'll try that and see if that works. So it's hard to do one-handed. So we'll throw the first washer on there, throw it back just like that, throw the second one on like that, and then throw your pin back in, just like that. All right, so I got the snowblower on, so we'll try it in first gear and see if it moves, and if it's really slow, then we'll just go back and make some more adjustments. If it's fine, then we'll leave it at that and call it a day. So it's moving slow, but it's moving. So we'll just go back, pull out the cotter pin, and just make another adjustment or 2, and it should be working a little bit faster, and we'll be good for gear 1 and the rest of the gears. I'll go through the rest of the gears real quick, make sure they all work fine, and then call it a day. There's Puppy. So I went through the rest of the gears, they work fine. I went back and I just made a couple more adjustments, turned it counterclockwise a couple more times, a couple more turns, and now it's running at the speed that I wanted at, and all the other gears are running at the speeds that they should be running at as well. So quick little fix for you. Sometimes it's not so easy, but not that easy, but at the same time, sometimes it is. So quick little tip, give it a try. Let me know if it works for you.